All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Toyota Corolla. It is the LE model, this beautiful blue with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, left the keys there. And best of all, minimum damage around the body, looks pretty good. Fog lights, 37,000 miles. Here's your front bumper. Looks pretty damn decent. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tire right here, which is, let's see here, under 730 seconds, about 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire third back here is just at the line of 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Got a leather with cloth-like inserts. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn on for you guys. As you saw before, it does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM, FM, turn the lights here. AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. Right there, boom, boom. AC controls right down below. You got backup camera, pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for an airbag light on. Your mileage of 37,947. That's about it right here. That's about it, folks. Very nice. Does have cruise control. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Yo, bro. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. Your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Of course, does have a spare tire here with some tools and stuff. I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. This quarter looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread back here is under 730 seconds, about 4. Do have a heavy scratch here, about 3. And another one there, about another 3. So 2 heavy scratches there, about 3 inches each. This here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Actually, just saw a little dinghy here. Boom, right there. Can it be seen? Boom. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's, front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, about 4. Fog lights are working. Lights are on. Things are working. Folks, once again, this is the 2016 Toyota Corolla, the S model with 37,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.